Alright, man, I came out to the yard, check out this 73, well not a 73 Impala that just made it in, but yeah, I think super nasty. Anyways, this one also came into the yard. 77, I think it says. Yeah, big old boat. 1977 Lincoln Continental Mark V. Yeah, she's nasty too. So I get a quick one over, just a quick one. You can tell they've been doing some body work. Yeah, just rough car, man. Rough. This one needs to be put out of its misery. She's got some Bondo all in this area here. She's got disc brakes though. In the rear. Back end, you know, tail lights are. Oh, I see. They had tape on them. I guess where they were putting the, you know, to try to protect them from the primer. Yeah, they got some cracks in them though. Back bumper looks. Yeah, I see some dings on the back bumper too. Missing the letters. Yeah. You can see that Bondo. So it looks kind of straight though. I mean, from a distance, she looks pretty straight, but yeah, she's rough. She has some cracks. See a crack there. These had the hideaway headlights. Oh, missing the Continental emblem there. Missing the ornament up here. Grill looks to be alright, except for this deal here. So one of the rubber pieces here for the guards there on that bumper. The bumper looks straight though. Yeah. Don't look too bad. Take a. I bet underneath she's. Ow, that hurts. Oh, she got a lot of rust over there. Yeah, I see the rust on that side. Yeah. In the trunk, I don't see anything really. Yeah, it's just some trim, a couple of tires, old fuel pump. Nothing much, man, nothing much. Inside, I guess somebody had already tried to take. I don't know what they're trying to take. The VIN on it, the date and everything, all the information. Man, I seen that somebody, I guess it was in the ashtray. They just dumped that out and left it. There's over $1 worth of change there, man. They just left it. So the best part about this interior has got to be that head. Oh no, I was gonna say, damn, I was gonna say the headliner. Yeah. Dash pad has a crack in it. We had here. Says a quadrasonic tape. Yeah. Should have tilt. If I can, it's hard to. feel loose though. Of course, these, you know, have power windows, power locks, power, you know, seats. This door doesn't want to close very well. Take another quick look on this side. I know some of y'all gonna say, better grab that change. Oh man, it's freaking locked on this side. Son of a bitch. Ugh. Come on. Alright. Yeah. Damn it. Okay. Look at this door. This door's actually, it's not, don't look too bad. I don't see any hits on it. Or do I? No. I think that door's got to be, what, damn near 4 or 5 feet long. Damn, that's ashtray for the rear. Yeah, that was ashtray for it'd be ashtray for the rear occupants, the rear passengers. Yeah. Power passenger seat as well. Nothing in there. What's that? What's this here? Saintsville Sanctuary. Huh. Okay. Oh, some kind of. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I think I can say we got over $1 worth of change there. Guess it'll come with me. They decide to leave it. And real quick under the hood, man. I gotta go to work, man. Shoot, I don't want to be late to work. I think all the glass was good too. Did I see that all the glass was good? Except for the windshield. Yeah. Yeah. She got a big old honking V8, man. Come around this way. Big 460. Big block. Last on the road, 02. Talking about 18 years. Yeah. There she. Oh, she got hydro boost too. Yeah. I can see it. Got the hydro boost going on. Yeah. Well, I guess that's gonna do her, man. Like I said, it's a quick one, just a quick one. It's here, and I came out to check out that other car. I said, well, let me get a video of this one. All right, man. On to the next one.